Hey guys, welcome to Cybersecurity Central. I'm your host Usman, and today we'll talk about what are virtual machines, why do we need them, and how to install them. Let me explain it. It's like you are on your own machine, you're using your laptop, and within your laptop, you're able to use multiple different laptops. But actually, they are not laptops, those are virtual desktop environments, each environment having its own full set of desktop capabilities. Next, why do we need them? We need them for a variety of reasons. For example, I would like to have hands-on experience with a MacBook. So instead of going out and buying a MacBook that might cost me around a few $1,000s, I would rather create a virtual machine of Mac OS. From an ethical hacker's point of view, it allows you to test new techniques, new tools, new softwares from within the safe space of your own private network. You can deploy vulnerable machines, you can deploy your own networks and environments and attack them without facing any legal problems and without damaging someone else's working environment. So there are two ways that we can use virtual machines, and today we will be looking at one of them. Let's get started. Okay, go to Google VMware Workstation Player. Open the first link. You don't need to worry about commercial license because as it states here, you take benefit of this and you download this here. Okay. Download has started. It depends upon your internet speed, how long will it take to download. Alright, once the download completes, you can just click on the file to open it. It should ask you for admin privileges. Let's see what happens. Yep, there we go. Click on yes. This should be fairly fast. I had to pause the recording because the installation process will not proceed without restarting. So when you are prompted to restart, go with yes. Alright, now we are here. Let's start this again. Next, accept the terms. Next, add VMware workstation. Alright, nothing to do here. Next, it's next. Create a desktop shortcut. Yes, next. And okay, you see, it's allowing me to upgrade. You will have install over here. So you click on install, you let the procedure run. I'll see you on the other side. Alright, by now your installation should have completed and you should have something that looks like this in front of you. So this is a tool that allows you to create virtual machines. So as you can see, I already have a few that I'm working on. After the installation has completed, we need an operating system. So for this tutorial, I'll be using Ubuntu. This is fairly small in size and does not takes up much of space. This is also beneficial for people who are trying to have some hands-on experience on Linux. Go to Google, search for Ubuntu and click on the first link. Download for free. Scroll down and click on download. That should do it. I already started my download a while early, so I will cancel this one and let this complete. After the download completes, you should have a file like this. Go back to VMware. Here we will select the first option, create a new virtual machine. We need to browse for this file. Next. Okay, we need to give this a name. Let's try. You can fill any details in these fields, but remember what you write. Click next. Virtual machine name and click on next. On this window, you need to select the hard disk size that you want to allocate for this particular virtual machine. The recommended size is 20 GB. I think I should have 20 GB on my system, so let's go with that. For this particular setup, I want this to be stored on a single file because ultimately I will be deleting this, free up space on my computer. So it will be easy for me. Click on next. You can customize hardware if you want. This is up to you. The recommended memory is 4 GB. The more the memory you allot it, the faster the machine will be. So for me, 2 GB is enough at the moment. I'll close it. I'll click on finish. Alright, looks like we are almost there. Okay, you can see in the background it created all these files and the installation is in progress. All right. Keyboard layout US. Okay, what apps would you like to install to start with? You guys can continue with normal installation. It will install a web browser, utilities, office softwares, and other media players. A normal installation. For me, a minimal installation is okay. Select this checkbox for Wi-Fi and other drivers to be installed. Continue. Alright, the first time I saw this message, I was a bit. Anyways, this is referring to the 20 GB space you allotted this virtual machine. It wants to erase that disk and install. So this will only affect the 20 GB part. So don't worry, click on install now. Name. Looks like the installation is completed. Let's restart. Success. Alright, let's log in with our password that we set. And there we go. Skip. Next. Next. So these are all the softwares you can install. You can look into it later. Right now, we have a working Linux environment inside Windows. This is how you install a virtual machine from scratch. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like to learn next. Stay tuned for the next video.